How much do you owe exactly?
Mina, leswi ni swi tivaka ni nga 155% sure it's 1,500 rand. Leyi Mapele a koletiwa hi Nice.
So
Ku ya hi Nice
why
leswi nga
kume
ndlisa xiswona.
5,000 if it's because Mapele
It's
confirmed
you
on
know,
the show.
a kidnapper, as I've stated, ku loko munhu a kidnapiwile boat, i ngo humesi mali leyi I tiva ku i kolota yona. Our main focus a ku ri ku save vutomi bya munhu loyi a nga kidnapiwa.
Hello baka hina option etindhawini to hambanahambana laha mi nga kona mi pfukile na mina pfukile swinene. So quickly earlier today ni ve ni approachiwa hi van'wani ka comment ya Facebook ka YouTube video leyi nga ni endla leya ya ku vulavula hi Mapele na Nice. So ku ve na sesi van'wana va ku hi la commenta ni sesi wa Nice. Na mina la ku reply ka leswi Mapele nga swi vula. Everybody go, well, okay, but you're not nice, but you know what, let me give you a benefit of doubt, maybe you know something. And then ni va ni opportunity for vulavula ne ni ta mi tlangela yona interview ya kona a yi le hangi, and then ni ta yi endla ku nga ri khale sweswi ni kwala ka video yaliwa. Ni ta mi tlangela yona, but before ni mi tlangela video leyi kumbe interview leyi ni nga va na yona na sesi lava very sesi wa Nice, ni la ku mi komba swin'wana leswi swi endlaku ku ri ni twa nga ri this whole thing swa Mapele na Nice is just a publicity stunt. Kuva ku I swilo swin'wana na swilo leswi a ni nga swi vula leswi a ni swi hleketa vele loko ni kha ni endla ti-video letiya ku ri ku nga va na ku ri na level of publicity stunt lawa, and then swi vurini ka video leyin'wana. Mara just to give them a benefit of a doubt, I will play that interview. It could be true, mara in my heart, deep down in my heart, I just feel like this whole thing is planned. It's a publicity stunt. So sorry about that. So la ku mi komba leswi Nice a nga swi tsala sweswi ku nga ri khale hi mhaka yena na Mapele. Uri, I've moved on with my life. I'm a forgiver. Lesson learned, never trust anyone. It's good, but not so quick, you know. I just feel like it's a little quick, this moving on and forgiving each other so quick. Another thing ku mhaka leyi ange swi humelele mhana yena a hi swa ku I nga hatla I ku you are moving on and you are forgiving someone so quick. I'm just smelling a bit of a rat here. So feeling learning this could be a publicity stunt, but hey, I used to shinda ku ri ntiyiso mara ni twa nga ri is not true. And another thing ku mhaka leyi ya audio leya, the audio leya venge ya ti what kidnapping leya audio ni tlangangi and then nge tlangi, mara leswi swi nga ni nga swi twa ni twa nga ri ku na a little bit of acting in that video. And anila ku vula swilo leswi ni khani ku maybe ni tekela hansi ka leswi ka mhangu leyi nga va ku yi humelerile, maybe I ntiyiso, mara endzeni ka mina deep down in my heart I just feel like this whole thing is a publicity stunt. Audio leyi tikomba nga ri yo actiwa leya yi nga huma leya venge Mapele kidnapper vanhu njhani ku buriswa na swibamu na ni twa swilo swo fabricatiwa, and it could be an act. I'm not sure. It could be true. And I did reach out to Nice. He said he's not ready to talk, but then leswi ni nga swi vula ka video ya mina, the allegations say they are ntiyiso. I have my doubt about this whole thing. Another reason which make me feel like into nga sweswa ngoba ku ri publicity stunt, before nimtlangela interview leya hi leswa. Let's go to Nice's page actually. Let's go to Nice's Facebook page. If you scroll down, yes, there's those talks. Next, okay, didn't delete 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago before I left conversation. As you can hear, already kuna audio clip the black. Already kuna the audio clip titwalako ka page ya Nice, and ti black ati kombisi ku humelela yini. All of a sudden thought about hey ku huma album, or itoto wako hey hirivalelanin, we are brothers, we come a long way and then we are moving on, you know, then kuma album or single. It could be possible. So mara hey, let's take whatever they're giving us and say maybe it's true, maybe don't. But deep down in my heart, I just feel like kula kuma album, kula kuma collab, yokari between Mapele na nice, and they're just playing around. That's just my take. That's my personal opinion, guys. It's my personal opinion. Is how I feel about this issue. It could be a publicity stunt. Let me play with the other one before to say interview and then go na yona na sislaba. Ingwendli. I just feel like this whole thing is publicity stunt, guys. Vala ku drag attention ya ka bona myself. No.
Yeah, man, let me put you on the ozone. I just did it on my own though. These the boys from the Popo. I ain't scared of the Popo.
It's a nice tune. Mara, I just feel like this whole thing is a publicity stunt. I'm sorry. Anyway, without any waste of time, let me play you that interview. Ninga internet slawa bengite rona is his oneness. Wabula but between Nice na Mapele and what happened. Mara together ntwanga chitimbi story for some reasons. Angeke ngwana man. Okay, let me play you that audio and then you enjoy yourself. After that, you do it. Research nge vuimi na vini van fambini. Nekano guys dos menga fambel kule vonan video lin yita ku shesh enkarlo ngayete kumbilu. Menga titimeli. Hello, option mshaka ntoka mbana hakenza kwa me joinile le Nkanelo Gingirikani me joinile hakenza swinene kwa me joinile. If miriban labancha kombela me subscribe, just hit the notification bell as well to make sure that whenever we do our videos you are not left behind. So don't be left behind. Benga titimeli. So yamahlweni bla makale ya ku hola baleka ngakona between Mapele na munhu lo angutlangela ti beat khale ku nga Nice, ne? So tolo ibe ni ka Mapele an opportunity ko a responda. I just felt like after swi refer ku mina ntanta vulavula hi yena la ka Nkanelo Gingirikani khani nga n'wi opportunity ya ku a responda. So ntwe swi fair ku va ni n'wi nyike chance ya ku a responda, even for him to have taken my call after such a long time. Ntwe swi very good. It was good because he took my call and then he had the right to respond after everything was said about him, and then Naina, he was also saying things about the other party. So look, video kai famba ni when approach you hi bangwan lava vola ka party ya Nice. I think it's so yena bakwala ku respond. I think she commented on my video and then they got nambara. So niko okay, it's fair. I think it's fair for me to give them an opportunity to also respond after everything was said. Because Mapele got his chance to respond as well, and I thought it would be fair as well to Kubana Minanika Patili one an opportunity to know that as well. Even though this is not a court, I always encourage people to say, if you have an issue with someone else, please go to the court of law rather than coming to Nkanelo Gingirikani or posting on social networks. So because I spoke to Mapele, I just feel like it's fair kubanika the other party a chance to respond. So Namunta, we will be joined by someone who is maybe a family, I don't know. They will tell you imani kumela and what they know about the whole story. And we are going to respect everybody. Another disclaimer, whatever is going to be said in this show does not represent the views of me or of the show. Everything that will be said here does not represent the views of Nkanelo Gingirikani or of Mandla Gingirikani. Mina my views, the views tam nem tatito ku mintu bla bla ineshe. So whatever will be said, please. Mingatim tan kidnapper na mina. If kuna kidnapper na baskulaba. Hey, pego so melela. Hey, na chava Okay, nkombela hi amkela sesila ntaba nkombela ba joina mondla ku ba joina mon ba khumbala cause one get number ta one approaching. Oh, ile kurile. The phone is ringing.
Yes. Hello.
Aye.
Hello. Hi.
Minjani?
Ngipfukile njani?
No, ipfukile. Vulavula na mani?
Mrwana na Portia Records.
Okay, Portia Records. N'wina mi nga comment ka video ya mina ne?
Definitely yes.
Mi tirhi mi la ku commenta ka leswi swi nga vulavuriwa ka video leyi nga hela ne?
Yeah.
Okay, before mi vulavula la ku mi byela vanhu lawa ku ri mi tiva yini hi leswi swi nga ku humeleleni kumbe xana vuxaka bya n'wina na Nice kumbe xana Mapele?
Okay, mina na Portia Records. This is one Nice mina. Landa mina Nice. So what I know vuxaka bya Nice na Mapele is that they used to work together with Makatavu music and stuff. So surprisingly, what happened is that I think it was before the 15th, I got a screenshot from my brother, Shumaka Mapele, threatening him about some money issues. I think it was 1.5, but I'm gonna just check that and I'll forward that to you. So unfortunately, Nice couldn't maybe pay that money because all at the 15 very well, so he couldn't pay that money. So what happened is that Damburiperi vele na Nice is disappearing amoyen because he was, I don't know, and stuff. Nice as his sisters and parents couldn't get hold of him because I made the phone. But later on we in Kuma. So I think around past 7 I got a phone call from my mom saying that my aunt has been kidnapped by Mapele. I'm like, how? Why? So with that mind, no man, Nice sent the screenshot. Then the very same day I got a friend request from Mapele's wife. Mabon. So yeah, we took it from there. Mom called me so yeah. So lokon fika la nukumeku my mom vele kuchubele rumel. So nubutsana is me Nice, what's happening? That issue ngamjela yakho ngutota Mapele 1.5, but unfortunately I could not pay him back. This is the chat. I've been talking to him. All right, fine. So Mapele loko hatsamili kungene a message from my brother. Damsendela a voice note yakona. I think he was because you were not there. My aunt are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm just listening.
Yeah, my aunt, I heard my aunt crying, like calling Nice's name, Nice. And then voice note. So man, Nice voice note. So my aunt did that, and stuff. So that touched the whole family. Really, we have to act, Master Sister. So we asked Kuri, Malile Menge Wakolotiwa, Imal Moon. Mapele screaming, man, I mean, when I just give me the money. My mom was like, no, I cannot give you money, not knowing you in Malaya in Susukiri. Master Sister. So it's like 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand, eh? But can we do a conference call? Nice. What is really going on? Mapele are real. But because we were fearing for the life of my aunt, we had to pay the ransom as he has requested, which is 5,000 rands. We paid the guy. Loko ngwakela ube aba release very late. I still because apparently so when we did follow up nabantu lava ngasala kaya bari yes hina hi vone movha ya BM ya ku light light my blue. And then loko mani va famba hi twete swibamu swi duvula swi nsinini. My son is 7 years old, the other one is 12. It was swibamu swi duvula and then mani va family in that way. So then we started calling you. So leswi xi nthama sa ku uku Mapele now, I think his statement it's contrary. Uriye he doesn't do live yaka social media. We had the incident yaku our aunt has been kidnapped, but we kept it private. But the first person who started posting those things because he is proud of being a kidnapper, who posted on Facebook, what was the meaning of that? And looking at that statement of saying, if they can get hold of you, why didn't he fly to Cape Town, than abusing an innocent woman? That is my first question to Mapele. Number 2, he has been given the ransom. After being given the ransom, who demanded for more money? I've got the voice note from Mapele. Another 20,000 rand. Meaning he has seen a gold mine. So we can rule out the whole thing because when he gets money, he demands for more. So you understand, is contrary. He doesn't know what he's doing. That is Mapele for you. And then number 2, let me see what else. Issue at the gunshots, Hashem, you should just forget about that. You should just forget. We've got 150% evidence of what he has done. And then what else? What else can I say about him?
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
I just wanted to. So
no, number 2. No, the lastly.
Okay.
I heard him saying that nicely. I want him to clarify us on that point. How do my parents owe Mapele? Does he even know my parents? Are they a type of Mapele? On which grounds? Does he have proof? Does he have evidence? Does he have proof? We need that.
So I'm not proof nice Mapele va
We don't have that. We don't have that, but we only had to pay the ransom because of the saving the life of my aunt, because she was in danger. Mapele was armed. One sister, we couldn't leave her to be killed by Mapele. After that, Mapele, hey Mapele, do you think what you have done, like, is it being smart? I was also threatened by Mapele with a voice note. So Mapele, whatever he has been doing, it was not a threat or anything else. He was doing good Arca machine, and he's still on a mission because he's still bringing threats to the family, to each and everyone in the family, that you are going to die. So what I said to Mapele, I'm waiting for him, and I'm still saying it. I am waiting for him. I even sent him the location. Mapele, really, you still have my location.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I'm not afraid of Mapele here. He might have done it before, but here I am. My name is Portia Rukoto. He knows me. I'm waiting for him.
Wow. Okay, because honestly speaking, look, like a social network. I didn't know this thing is serious.
It's not a joke. It's a very serious matter. He has left the family, kids traumatized.
Yo.
Yeah, the whole village. So you cannot be playing around with these kind of things. You cannot be proud of him being a kidnapper. You know, but why did you go to the social media about his son? What Cape Town has been to nicest place? Why anga Cape Town and under nice? Instead of come back, he's a coward. He goes for an innocent woman. African at the gunshot to a person that is even harmless.
Yo.
Did she deserve that? She didn't. On a Women's Month.
Yeah, because Mapele said anga somehow a commercial bomb, so we don't know if that is true or not. You also were not
boy Pondo, Mapele on that. Boy Pondo, you must just take a pill. Let me have my drink.
No, ni cancel kwa mi joinile that hey, kuma nice maybe ata clarifela tamagatungwa let maybe nguna mngataka mngatshukut kutlamula.
At the current moment, I cannot approve my brother to be involved too much, so I'm going to be he. Actually, I'm his assistant. So I'm going to talk on his behalf. I have all the answers for now. Because that's that is my brother.
Okay.
Yeah. And then she wants to go before we even, you know.
Hileswi anla ku swona ku kahle imali ya yini akolotwa ku yona and imali muni exactly.
Exactly, because I can say, yeah, we need to know what was you know.
Understand when Steve maybe nice yeah Steve.
For now, let's give him a break. Let's give him a break. Yeah, but I think Mapele can also comment on that one. Remember, he acted because he knows Guru Wakodotiwa, so you cannot just act.
Mara nice.
We want to know.
Mara nice confirming Kuwakolote kolta Mapele, and
yes, he did.
On time.
Exactly.
But how much did he owe? How much did he owe
Mina, let's 155% sure it's 1,500 rand. Le Mapele akoletiwa nice.
So why you 5,000 if it's because Mapele confirmed on the show?
A kidnapper, as I've stated, I kidnap Willie about our main focus. I go to save Abutom Zamulanga kidnapiwa. Kukomba Mapele as not straight. 5,000 and confirm mil amoyen. So this voice note that I'm going to send right now, nice. I still need more 20,000 rand. You makwi.
Yo.
Because iminti sokungena nasaba ukolotana, but there's a voice note that my mom just sent right now yaku na lava another 20 tawa 15 na tilala la ku nice utirha la yena kahle kahle anga tirheli nchumu.
That's why man like what's a nice score kahle hle balwela yini if they are really fighting.
They are really fighting. They
I
are like, I think 1.5, you know, still even though they are fighting for anything, whatever it's this one like sona Mapele na nice, it shouldn't involve their family, it shouldn't involve the life of an innocent person. Because in my life, I mean, I worth 1.5 Mapele. I worth that even 5,000 rand that we have paid. Number 3, I just want to clarify that point, my parents. No, it's very wrong.
So
You need to do proper research.
What is the next step? Because Makaso, I don't think it's fair. Makaso if like on social networks, like social networks, that YouTube, not Facebook. What is the next step? Or
we are following the right we are following the right channels. We are doing that. Yeah. Koba kuloko say yena swi humesela ka social media. We push up, we comment. We know what we are doing.
Yo. Hi.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I can back up mention nice Shaku Begitel and his crew might find him. Maybe we can back it up, yeah.
Okay. No, says Portia, ni cancel kwa mi join na le Nkanelo again. Kesanka wrong.
Sharp.
All right. Balaba akuru says Portia beri bona says wa nice bona bakababula bulala ba ibyele leswi bo batwa kusona emakale ya Mapele na nice timhaka leti wena nga ri setatika hey I need a breather. Okay guys, hi leswi mi khomile swona le ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani a no twani ve swi tava swi fair ku ri kuma comment yin'wana mara I feel like it will be fair. I feel like it will be fair if we can get nice to comment. Maybe I don't know if I can find him on this issue. I'm calling nice. I just want to find out if it will be fair to get his side of a story at the I didn't schedule an interview with anybody. I'm just calling him out of the blue. No, he's not picking up the phone. No, actually, phone. No, I will phone. It was sick. I tried. So I think makali to itika kwala. Another thing I want to stress whatever was said on the show, it does not represent the views of me or of the show. All I wanted to do is to give both sides the right of reply, since I spoke about them and I gave Mapele a chance. Now I am giving the other party a chance to speak. Hopefully this will be the last time I'm talking about this issue, because I don't like doing this kind of things here on the show. I so mean that so lava to go shit okay, the still baka ina nongonoko Nkanelo wa Gingirikani Mandla le gere mina nkhanuka ke stores tshwelele nyora am tsa sinto tora salute minga titimeli waka hey ina chava kidnapiwa.